Dave and Ryan are two computer engineers and best friends who decide to play the game of flip the coin on Dave's computer, with the computer being the opponent, and Ryan decides to observe his game. The computer plays the first move, but Dave doesn't know what it was, either heads or tails. Now on his turn, he can either choose to flip the coin or not, and similarly, even if his results will not be revealed to the computer. Now, again the turn goes to the computer, and after playing a few rounds, the computer reveals the result. While observing all this, Ryan says, "Hey, do you know that there is only a 50% chance that either of you will win?" Dave got curious. He asked how he knew. Ryan explained that it's a computer, and he just tried to analyze its moves. But suddenly, he says, "What are your chances if you play the same game on quantum computer?" Dave was confused and asked, "What is a quantum computer, and how is it different?" Quantum computers are advanced machines inspired by quantum physics, a study of the behavior of atoms and particles. So, quantum computers operate by studying and controlling the behavior of these particles, which in a way completely is different from our regular computers or even supercomputers. It is an upgraded and powerful version of these computers, but not exactly the next generation computers. Like bikes, you cannot build a better bike just by building and adding more and more cycles together, although they both share almost the same functioning. Dave further questions, how does it work? Ryan comes forward and explains to Dave that while playing Flip the Coin, his computer took heads and tails as bits of 0 and 1, and depends on only these two results. While the quantum computer, on the other hand, will also have these possibilities, including a possibility of a mixture of both heads and tails, like 0 and 1, for example, with some portion of 0 and some portion of 1. And due to this fluid possibility, it increases the chances of you losing the game. Because whether you choose to flip the coin or not, the outcome will still be there between both possibilities. Just like a mixture of lemon juice and water, even though the portion of lemon juice is very little in that mixture, you can't say that it is not there. This property of superposition and entanglement of quantum physics empowers quantum computers to handle operations at speeds that are orders of magnitude faster than traditional computers, while using a fraction of the energy. Upon understanding this, Dave was mesmerized by the concept of quantum computers. Quantum computers aims to revolutionize more future quantum technologies. And just like other transformations around the world, quantum computers have the potential to impact our lives in so many ways, like our security needs, healthcare needs, etc. For example, it can be used to create private keys for encrypting messages from one location to another. It can be difficult for people with ulterior motives to copy the key of quantum uncertainty. This type of unique and unbreakable encryption is already tested by banks and companies like JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Barclays, etc. It can be used in the medicinal world, as it will be easier for quantum computers to study each property of atoms and molecules, as it works on a similar concept. Due to its benefits, currently, it is connected to over 17 billion devices globally. Quantum computers are the future of our coming generations. Although it is still under research work, it is still taking over the technology and the business world. Companies like Google and Microsoft are competing to build quantum computing tools. This progress could allow some of the benefits and insights of quantum computation to be realized long before the search for a large-scale, error-corrected quantum computer is complete.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Here's your reminder to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest technologies and trends.